You can see these are the buildings that were destroyed. Look at all those buildings that were taken down. Kuyasebenzeka sis? Yeah? Uzinkingeni bad? Yeah, it's bad for the breadwinners, but it's a good thing at the end of the day. This area has got to be smart. Bakuyindawo yakho le mama. Bakuyindawo yakho. After some heavy rains, it has been raining like crazy, you know, this area. Yeah guys, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's keep on growing this channel, guys. Oh, see, somewhere there is OBC. Do you know OBC, guys? You guys who are staying here, do you know OBC? It's a place for selling chicken, and I like this traditional stuff for Africans. And also these ones who are doing some finishes here. It's all business around this area. Just need to treat very careful when shooting videos in this type of areas, because actually we don't know the people that we are meeting. Oh, traditional healer there that we just met. Yeah. So we just want to see now what this street can give us, guys.
Amaphilisi abesilisa, iphilisi lenyongo, idrop, njalo njalo. Imithi yezifo zonke isiza
Let's see how people interact here. Let's see how friendly they are to the camera. I've realized in some of these places there's a lot of trash. Alright guys, I'm just gonna give you the story of Mabopane Station. There is some stuff that happened here. The demolition of the street vendors. They've been like building some illegal buildings here. So there is a lot that happened here. Some buildings that were destroyed. I'm just gonna be showing you that. It's right here in Mabopane Station, to see the aftermath of that destruction. So this is Mabopane Station. I'm gonna be showing you the buildings that they've been just destroying. Even if you look at my left, at my right, but to many it's business as usual. They came back and they're selling. See all these areas here. There were buildings there, illegal buildings. And from what I heard, these people were warned before the starting of the demolition. There were some caterpillars, JCB, that came here to destroy these areas. I'm sure some of you have seen that on social media. So this is the aftermath. I'm sure these areas are yet to be cleaned. This area actually, when the local guys explains it, this area used to be like harboring a lot of criminal activities, some criminal elements in it, selling of illegal substances. That's exactly what was happening here. But as you can see, all those buildings has been destroyed. And there is also a warning from the inside these areas here. Bekuyindawo yakho le mama. Bekuyindawo yakho. Sengisho ukuthi la bekuyindawo yakho na. Uyayidobela nje.
Ngitopa mawetolo awuthubeka. Adikho drink.
Manje bazokwenza njani? Bazokwakha.
Ba bona baba kathuba. Bala basa-akhi.
Abasakhi.
Abasabafuni.
Hey.
Abasabafuni.
Yamara sekusikhuni angithi?
Ya, saba kusanyaka uyira school.
Ya kusikhuni mara. Uyabona kuyahambeka manje. Kumnandi.
Sokhulumakiwa kuba.
Yeah, that's a good job.
Yeah. Ubatothuba liphakathi.
Hayibo. Food. Wow. Yeah.
Kulumaka happen kamohari.
Kamohari. Ah, nice. Okay ma, thank you ne. Ne. Yeah. Yo. Aguyim. Straight. Hey ma. Yeah. 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 Hey. Abantu apila. Eh? Yeah. Eh? Hey, yeah, usinye. All right, man. Yo. But that's a good thing. It's bad for the breadwinners, but it's a good thing at the end of the day. This area has got to be smart. It has to be smart. Amazing. There is a warning that the people must vacate those areas inside there because they also want to be like destroying those areas. Let me just show you some of these guys who are still destroying at their buildings. Or are they building up again? You can see these are the buildings that were destroyed. I don't know what this other guy is doing. Looks like he is reconstructing. Yeah, that's life, right? We are right here in Mabopane. This is the aftermath, guys. Let's just go up. Look at all those buildings that were taken down. Interesting as it is. And this one used to be a saloon, as you can see. It was quite a big building. It was taken down. Still a lot of cleaning to be commencing, I believe. And these buildings were just built alongside this building, this mall here. And at this mall, that's where you'll find ShopRite, you'll find OBC, you'll find builders, I think. Still is looking very dirty somehow after that destruction. I've heard they're still gonna be like coming back and doing the cleaning. Let's walk further up. Oh, these were buildings, as you can see. Crazy. So now they are doing their business outside. So it's business as usual. You can see people, they're really desperate for a living. Even though these buildings were destroyed, but you can still, they're trying to do something about it. Still selling something from here. Look at this. It's totally a mess here, guys. Look at this side here. Just over this street, over this road, you can see the buildings that were also destroyed that side. And this was done by the municipality, I think. I'm 100% sure of this. Kuyasebenzeka sis? Yeah? Uzinkinga and bed. Yeah. Yeah. Bakhipha. Ayikunzima. Akusebenzeki. Yo, ayikunzima. Okay, siswa. Sure. See, people are still coming and trying to resurrect what was taken down. Imali ni mpete yako. Bana tengisa. Uwe. Mali ni mpete. 1.2. Olo cheaper ulo. 1.2. Okay. All right, put sabona. 1.2. 350. Business as usual, guys. Yeah. It's intense. It's just unfortunate people are trying to make a living. You can see all these buildings that destroyed, over and done. Only the rubbles now. Same thing as to my left side. It's all rubbles now, just to be cleaned. And there was a lot of robberies that was taking place here. I think the cleaning of this place will help a lot in combating crime. And this area looks very, very clean. And I just wish everything will be looking like this in the very near future. And here is their garage that is just close by. Let me just try to show you at the mall that is close by this area that is being destroyed, that has been destroyed, the illegal buildings. You can actually see that not so many people are selling now here. There are a few people. They promise that maybe these might be destroyed as well, but I don't think so. So this is the central city. This is the mall, guys, that is very close to the area that I've been just showing you. A very beautiful mall, as you can see. Yeah.